Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Stop browsing and disconnect from the internet if possible to prevent new writes. Verify the user profile and browser account sync state because synced history may be recoverable from the cloud. If you have System Restore, File History, or Volume Shadow Copy enabled on Windows or Time Machine on Mac OS, locate the most recent snapshot. Once done, make sure you create a forensic image or backup of the disk before proceeding so you can try multiple recovery methods without losing data. You now run targeted recovery tools and inspect browser files. Use file carving utilities like Recuva or TestDisk to scan for deleted SQLite databases and index files. Open recovered files with a SQLite viewer and export the history table. Also parse browser cache, cookies, and local storage for URLs or timestamps. If accounts were signed in, check Google or Microsoft activity pages and search other synced devices for copies. Make sure to note timestamps so you can reconstruct session order and spot gaps. You finish by consolidating recovered entries into a single timeline and exporting them as CSV or JSON for easy review. Verify integrity by hashing recovered files and saving multiple copies on separate media. If browser entries appear incomplete, cross-reference with DNS, router logs, or ISB activity if available. Make sure to stop using the original drive and repeat imaging with alternative tools if results are poor. If nothing helps, consider a professional data recovery service to avoid accidental overwrite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.